Hello guys, welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you the first video of my new series called Rebuilding Classic Call of Duty Weapons in Combat Master. Today I am playing with the AK-74U from the Call of Duty that started all the great Call of Duties from the past, like from 2007 until 2012. And if you don't know which Call of Duty I'm talking about, I am talking about Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare 1. And no, I'm not enjoying the weapon just because I'm part Russian. Yes, I'm part Russian. I don't want to go in detail because I don't want to tell you my whole background story. I don't want to tell you about my whole family. It's my thing, but I just want to tell you I'm not enjoying the weapon because I'm part Russian. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the series. I know my FPS aren't that great, but it is how it is.
For mercy.
So, and I have to say, the gun feels good for me personally. So I can recommend it for controller players because it felt better on controller. But yeah, if you want to rebuild this weapon, of course I will show you the AK-74U build with all the attachments. So this is the AK-74U build. For the muzzle I use the bell muzzle brake. For the barrel I use the 8.1 VCS light. For the stock I use underfolder stock. Hopefully you enjoy the weapon too, and see you in the next one.